In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your OneDrive storage limit. Imagine having all your important documents, photos, and files stored safely, with plenty of space to spare. I'm here to guide you through this simple process in just a few minutes. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to ensure you are logged into your Microsoft account. Head over to account.microsoft.com and enter your credentials. This is your gateway to all things Microsoft, including OneDrive. Once you've logged in, you should be on a familiar homepage showcasing various Microsoft services. Keeping your login details secure is crucial, so make sure you're using a strong password and have two-factor authentication enabled. Now that you're in, the next step is to navigate to the Apps Launcher. The Apps Launcher is the grid icon usually found in the top left corner of the page, resembling small squares. By clicking on it, you'll find a drop-down showcasing a list of all the available Microsoft apps. This handy tool makes navigating between different Microsoft services a breeze. With the Apps Launcher open, go ahead and click on OneDrive. This cloud storage service offered by Microsoft is where all your uploaded files are stored. Clicking on OneDrive will take you to your storage page, displaying everything you've saved there so far. Now that you're in OneDrive, glance over to your account status or settings panel. You want to find and click on the option labeled by storage. This is an important step as it will guide you to the plans available for purchasing additional storage. By selecting this option, you'll be directed to a page with storage plans tailored to fit different needs and budgets. On the storage plans page, you'll see a variety of options to choose from. Each plan will detail the amount of storage available along with the monthly or yearly cost. Take your time reviewing these options and reflect on your needs. Maybe you're an avid photographer requiring space for countless high-resolution images, or a professional handling hefty files. Regardless, there's likely a plan perfectly suited for you. Once you've decided on the best plan, go ahead and select it. Microsoft will guide you through the necessary steps to finalize your purchase. You may be prompted to enter your payment information if it's not already saved. Double check your details, and when you're ready, confirm your subscription. And just like that, you've successfully increased your OneDrive storage limit. Now you have more room to save those cherished memories, essential documents, and crucial files without worrying about running out of space. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and simple to follow. If you did, consider subscribing to our channel for more easy to follow guides just like this one. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly expanded storage space.